Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here we're going to show you how to fix WIX site not showing in Google. So if you're interested, let's get started. So you might be wondering how to exactly fix this problem. Well, the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your WIX website here in your dashboard. Now, in this case, at the bottom left or in the left panel here, you want to access your settings. Now, under settings, you want to look for SEO, which in this case, typically it's going to be under site, domain, or SEO. So if the UI itself is not the same with what you're seeing right now, just choose SEO settings here in one of the following options. But once you click on it, this is what you'll be seeing. Now, what you need to make sure you do here is you need to set this properly. Which in this case, what I would recommend you to try doing here is to make sure that let search engines index your site is actually enabled. So in this case, enable this one. And from here, it's going to say your site could appear in search results. So turning on this feature means your site can now be indexed and will be eligible to display in search results. Are you sure you want to continue? Let's go and click on show site. And from now on, it should fix your problem. Now, also additionally, you could go ahead and go to your main pages here. And if one of your pages here is not indexed, I would recommend you to basically turn this on. So if you have that turned off, and also as you can see, there's an option here, index status. Also, you might want to, this is optional, but you can add your meta description here, which in this case, the description that will be appearing on the search result of your website. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.